हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो सब लोग। स्टैंडर्ड 8 का पीरियोडिक असेसमेंट टेस्ट है सोशल साइंस का, अक्टूबर मास 2020। मार्क्स है टोटल 25, टाइम है 1 आवर। तो ये जो क्वेश्चंस है वो सभी क्वेश्चन के कैसे कैसे आंसर आते हैं सोशल साइंस के, वो हम ये वीडियो में चर्चा करेंगे। तो वीडियो अंत तक देखिएगा। वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और साथ में अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर कीजिए, जिससे क्या पता चलेगा कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चन में किस तरह के आंसर आते हैं। और सभी क्वेश्चन के पेपर सॉल्यूशन ये चैनल पे आते रहते हैं, तो चैनल को लाइक ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। चैनल को जैसे आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे बाजू में बेल आइकन आएगा, बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर देना है, जिससे क्या होगा कि जब आप वीडियो देखने बैठेंगे तो नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिल जाएगा ये चैनल के जो भी वीडियोस भेजे जाते हैं। ठीक है, तो देखते जाते हैं सभी क्वेश्चन के कैसे कैसे आंसर आते हैं। क्वेश्चन पहला है, मैच द आइटम्स इन द कॉलम ए विद द दोस गिवन इन कॉलम बी। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस, earthquake. Earthquake is the earth surface is shaking suddenly with speed. The surface is shaking with suddenly in speed of this surface. This is the first answer of D. Second is tsunami. Tsunami is very powerful waves generated at sea level. Second answer is A. Third is flood. Flood is a sudden rush of water into the river. Third is E. Fourth is landslide. Landslide is the upper part of the terrain moves downwards. Fourth answer is B. Fifth is hurricane. Hurricane is an air storm arises. So fifth answer is C. Now move on second question. Question number 2. Answer the following questions in brief. And this first question, state the two causes of volcanic eruption and its two advantages. So you have to write the answer like this. Two causes of volcano eruptions are high temperature in the interior of earth creation of magma, and the advantages of this, the fertility of land increase and the low hot water springs in the areas of volcano have germ killing property. Now move on second question, state the two main effects of hurricane on human life. So we have to write answer like this. Effects of hurricane on human life: winds can damage houses or trees. Winds can damage outside property also. Now move on third question, state the main cause of flood in the river. So you have to write answer like this. Flooding is caused by atmospheric condition leads to heavy rain on the rapid of snow and ice. Whenever the snow and ice arises and also leads to heavy rain, is causing the atmospheric condition like this, flood in the river. Now fourth question, state the cause and effect of forest fire. So we have to write down the answer like this. Cause of forest fire like this, friction between dry branches causes of forest fire. Also effect of forest fire and great amount of damage to resource. This is the cause and effect of forest fire. Okay. Now move on third question. Question number 3. Do as directed. The effect of British rule on India are given in brackets. Classify them. So you have to many type of the rule of India and British rule. We have to simplify the two economic impact and social impact. So whatever the economic impact, here peasantry was ruined and millions of artisans became unemployed. This is the economic impact. And what is the social impact? English education was introduced and the practice of village self-governance was destroyed. This is a social impact. So you have to classify like this as a answer. Okay. Now question number 3b. Reforms of British rule become a boon for the cause of nationalism. Explain this statement. So we have to write down the answer of social and religious reasons. So the policy of social reforms, the company made people increase and suspicious. Economic reasons like this, the aim the British was to bring prosperity to England at the cost of India. As a result, the landlord and peasants having lost their lands participated in the revolt. And the political reasons is the East India Company accused the Rights as a result of their victory in the Battle of Buxar in 1764 CE. And this was the defeat by an aggressive policy of expansion with the help of subsidiary alliance. Military reasons. There was a big difference between the salary of an Indian soldiers and British soldiers. Now move on the question number 4. Identify me. Whatever the given statement, you have to identify what it can say. Okay. First is, I am the greenhouse effect that warms the Earth's atmosphere. So what is the greenhouse effect and effect on Earth's atmosphere? It is the known as global warming. So answer you have to write down global warming. Now second one is, I am the short term average condition of temperature, humidity and rainfall of any region. So if you have to identify the any type of condition, that temperature, humidity or rainfall any region, it is known as a weather. Okay. Now third is the use of foam, plastic, fridge, etc. is responsible for my emergence. So it is the one type of gas like this, it responsible for this type of effects. So that name is chlorofluorocarbon, CFC. So you have to write down the answer like this, chlorofluorocarbon, CFC in third question. Okay. Now move on, question number 4th B. Explain the damage caused to the hydrosphere due to the effect of global warming. So you have to write down the answer like this. The level of groundwater was decreased. The polar ice have started acting due to increased heat. Disposal of industrial and chemical waste into river, stream, lake and seas pollutes the water. Question number 5 is, answer the following question in brief. First one is, name the upper and lower house of parliament. So you have to know this answer. We have to write down like this. The upper house of parliament is Rajya Sabha and lower house of parliament is Lok Sabha. Second question is, state the total number of members of Rajya Sabha, means upper house. How many seats are there in Gujarat? So you have to write down like this answer. The total member of Rajya Sabha is 250, means 250, and 11 seats are there in Gujarat. Third question is, what is the name of the administrative head of Rajya Sabha, upper house? Who adorns this place in terms of position? So you have to write down the answer. Venkaiah Naidu is the administrative head of Rajya Sabha. If he is not in that situation, after vice president, who have the power after him, will advance the place in terms of position. Fourth question is, what is a bill? So is the answer like this. A draft of a proposed law presenters parliament for discussion called bill. Fifth one is, name any two functions of Rajya Sabha, is known as upper house. So you have to write down the answer like this. The Rajya Sabha functions primarily as the representative of the state of the India in the parliament. It has an important role in reviewing and altering the laws initiated by the Lok Sabha. The Rajya Sabha can also initiate legislation. A bill is required to pass through the Rajya Sabha in order to become a law. So this is type of the two functions of the Rajya Sabha. You have to write down like this. तो फ्रेंड्स, आपको अभी पता चल गया होगा कैसे क्वेश्चन के कैसा आंसर आता है। तो वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा, साथ में अपने जितने भी फ्रेंड्स हैं उसको भी शेयर कर दीजिए। जिससे क्या होगा, शेयर करने से उसको भी पता चलेगा कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चन में आंसर क्या आता है। और सभी क्वेश्चन ऐसे वीडियोस के द्वारा आपको मिलते रहेंगे। इसके लिए आपको चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कर दीजिए, जिससे क्या होगा, जितने भी वीडियोस आते रहते हैं चैनल पे, वो सभी वीडियोस आपको नोटिफिकेशन के साथ सबसे पहले मिल जाएगा। ठीक है, तो देखते रहेगा नए वीडियोस के साथ, फिर से मिलेंगे। तब तक लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड टेक केयर।